maintain formation.
Roger that, Tower. Gray Squadron, rolling.
Check.
Roger that. 087, sound clear. Ready for taxi. Lead checking in, fuel nominal, munitions expended. Copied. Proceeding to home plate.
Are you all right, Captain?
Yeah, I'm good. Just help me with the helmet.
Let's see the manufacturing of JF-17 Thunder.
Maintain current velocity. Ensure all systems are reading green.
Okay, the hook is clear.
Ready for the lift sequence.
Confirming all brackets are off. Contact! 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 Hold position, hold position. Aft section clear by 2 inches. Proceed slowly.
Mirror inspection complete on the port side.
Noted. We still have the starboard engine intake to clear.
Left. Right. Down.
Steady, bring it down slow. All right, she's seated. Engage the locks. Locking pins secure.
185.
Locked in.
Well done, team.
The new RD-93 has arrived.
Finally, the heart of the JF-17.
Check the connection point on panel 7.
Looks secure from here, but the readings are fluctuating.
Look at that finish. Absolutely flawless. A masterpiece.
Clear left. Clear right. All clear, you are good to go.
Running clear.
Radio calling airborne.
Master arm engaged. I have a solid lock on the target. Calling defensive.
Tanker rendezvous request, encrypted channel.
Position 50 kilometers ahead, confirming rendezvous. Closing in, hold steady. Roger, stabilized. Transfer complete, thank you very much. Tally. Radar contact. Multiple bandits. Breaking left. Engage. Fox 3.
Mayday, Mayday. Clipper 72, engine failure.
Clipper 72, you are cleared for the emergency approach, runway 27 right.
Cleared.
Come on, lock! Left gear still showing unsafe. Hydraulic pressure fluctuating. We're approaching 500 meters.
Are you all right, Captain?
Yeah, I'm good. Just help me with the helmet.
Lead checking in, fuel nominal, munitions expended. Copied. Proceeding to home plate. Gray Squadron, cleared for takeoff runway 09er. Visibility restricted, maintain formation.
Roger that, Tower. Gray Squadron, rolling.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creators' content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.